Hi guys, how are you? I'm hoping that you have already registered for your FE exam. For me, I'm going to take the FE civil exam this year, and just want to share some of the important things we need to have while reviewing and taking the FE exam. First of all, we need to register, of course, and then in our NCEES account, under the useful documents, you can download the reference book free from the website. Just for a minute. They're under useful documents, and it says their view reference handbook. So we'll just open that in a new tab. So this one is, it says reference handbook 10.0. This is the new reference handbook we're going to use effective July 1st 2020. Okay, so for me, I would like to recommend for you to download this one and save it to your desktop or laptop to be able to familiarize and use it while we review, because in the exam we're going to use a software copy of this FA reference book. Then it's kind of neat to have it and familiarize, and it will be easier to navigate during the exam. There you go. Like all the formulas that we need for the exam are here. And also this one, you can search a specific word or like a formula you kind of need. For example, in probability, you can say if you're looking for median, there you go, then it will just show all the median word. Then here you can yeah, so for now it's saying there's 6 median word there. So 1, 2, 3, reach their probability. So like for engineering probability and statistics, you can search it in here, like the formula to get the value of the median. Okay, that's so then it's really important to have this FE reference handbook. Okay, and for the second one, it is for the NCES Examinee guide. You can also download this one free. So it's just like, so then here it's the Examinee guide. So it says NCES exams. It's their fundamentals of engineering. We can click that and go down to the exam specifications. So there's one that is effective through June 30, 2020, but for me, because I'm taking my exam after June, so then this will be my examinee guide, like the FE civil, effective beginning of July 1st 2020. So we can click that. In here it says says, or it shows the specifications for the civil, and it says effective beginning with the July 2020 examinations. Well, I think it's all the same as the the previous version, that has 6 hours to complete the exam, which contains 110 questions. The 6 hour time also include tutorial and optional scheduled break. So then it says, in here it summarizes kind of what are the topics we expect for the exam. Like number one, mathematics and statistics. Then there should be like around 8 to 12 questions. Ethics and professional practice, 4 to 6 questions. Engineering economics, 5 to 8. Statistics, 8 to 12. Dynamics, 4 to 6. Mechanics of materials, it's 7 to 11. Materials, around 5 to 8. Fluid mechanics, 6 to 9. Surveying, 6 to 9. Water resources and environmental engineering, about 10 to 15. And then structural engineering, it's about 10 to 15. And then technical engineering, 10 to 15. Transportation engineering, 9 to 14 questions. And construction engineering, which is about 8 to 12 questions. So then I also recommend for you to download this one. Then you can have a guide on what knowledge you're going to kind of review and give more priorities. So there you go. And for the third one, it's the calculator policy. So going back to your NCES account, under the useful documents, it says there's a review calculator policy. There you go. So during the exam, the following calculator models are the only ones acceptable for use during the 2020 exam for Casio brand. Are all FX115 and FX991 models. So any Casio calculator must have the FX115 or FX991 in its model name. For me, I'm using the Casio FX991ES. This is still my calculator from college. So, and I don't know, my calculator is kind of my best friend. So I also have one kind of what's that? Kind of spare. It's a Texas Instrument. It's the TI-30X, but then that is only for my spare, because I think in the exam you can bring two calculators, but they only allowed you to take one calculator in the exam room. And in case your calculator that you are using won't or kind of stop working, then you can get your spare. So then for others, they also use the Hewlett Packard, the HP33S and HP35S models, but no others. And as I said, Texas Instruments also all T1-30X and T1-30X models. You can use that as well. Okay, so now that we have the reference book. By the way, for the reference book, you can save it to your desktop. Then it's there. It's easier for you to use it when you're reviewing, so you don't need to go to your NCES account every time you use it. So for today, I'm going to stop here, and for my next video we're going to start with the FE Civil Practice exam. I bought the review book for kind of practice exams from the NCES.org website. I think it costs only 30 bucks, somewhere in there, but it just, the shipping is the most costly, but nevertheless I ordered it, and I just want to share with you also as I open the book, and that would be on my next video. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Thanks guys, bye bye.